everyone. Okay, so I'm gonna wait for a couple people to jump on now before I start getting into everything. So I'm gonna first recap on what we're gonna be doing. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to turn this pencil into this wand. And I'm gonna be showing you the tips and tricks on how to make it. And since the hot glue takes a while, I'm not gonna be showing you how to drip the hot glue. I'm just gonna be showing you over it and everything, since I might be looking at the camera and then I might burn my hands. So that's something to be very careful about and everything. And so while I'm waiting for people to jump on, hey, thank you for being the first person on right now. So what we're gonna be doing is, since it's my birthday coming up, and I wanted to have a Harry Potter themed birthday, since I watched all the movies, I got the book, I even got the wand, which is in my other room since I was using it last night, got a Harry Potter quill, I got a Harry Potter how-to book, I got a Harry Potter shirt, I got a butterbeer mug, the official butterbeer mug that broke, so now I'm putting my wands in there that I made. So yeah, I got a lot of things over there. Okay, so since there's people on now, I want to jump right into what we're gonna be doing. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to turn this into this with only 3 simple steps. So all you need is 1, a pencil, 2, a glue gun, and just saying, if you're a minor or a younger kid right here, you can use it. It's just be very careful, since I've burnt myself a lot with this. So you have to just be aware of your, just be aware basically while you're using the glue gun, since you do have to drip it and you do have to use your hand. So it can be very hard and you might burn yourself. Just a warning, do not try that. Okay, and then all you'll need is, I like to use gold paint, silver paint, black paint, and brown paint for coloring my wand. So now I'm going to show you how and what to do. So first, you need to get your pencil. You can just find these at normal school stores, or like the school owl if you're in America or something. Usually we find this at a grocery store, which is funny. So first you need a pencil. Then what you would do is, I don't have my glue gun on right now, and I don't want to use it right now because I could drip it on my hand since I'm trying to look at the camera and everything. So you'll basically just squirt it out and just roll it, depending on how you want your wand to look like. So I have a different selections of wands. I have one where basically you flip it over like this and just drip it on there and roll it. And then it can make like this cool oak type of texture and everything. And when you paint it, it looks very realistic and wooden. So that's a really cool feature. So this is one of my personal favorites, where you just drip it on. Then we have the rolling style, where basically you'll just roll and bring your glue gun around it to make a handle. And then I like to put some gold on it and shimmer and everything. Then this one basically is like the rolling style, but more messy. Basically you'll just drip it and like basically move it side to side and roll it around. So it's more clumpy in some areas and thinner in some areas. So those are the 3 types of wands that you can make. This one I already prepared. It looks very weird when you are just put glue on it and everything. This one was the thick, where I just pointed it like that and dripped it, rolled it around. The usual wait minute where you'll just roll it around is like 20 to 30 minutes maximum. And so this one, I just dripped it, and it took like 20 to 30 minutes just rolling it around. And a lot of times I'll turn on music or something and just listen to that or talk with people while I'm doing it. So, and then I wanted to put some glitter on it to make it look shiny and everything. And so after I paint this, after this live, it'll kind of look like an oak almost, and then I might want to make the wand a little thicker over here. So this is just the handle that you'll use with glue. And otherwise, at the end, when you're finished, it turns out looking like this. So you will have your wand part and your handle and everything. So it's gonna look really nice. Mine turned out really well. And why I made these is because for my birthday party, I wanted to give them as little party gifts and everything. So I would have something that would be in the theme of my party and everything. So that's awesome. And another thing that you can make is that if you get toilet paper rolls, like empty toilet paper rolls, and you just drip the hot glue around it, it makes it look like a melted candle. Then you can get a fake candle or a real one, depending on what you want. Hot glue gun it in there, and then you can hang it up, and it looks like in when Harry Potter and them are like having dinner, the main feast and everything. I don't know how I forgot that right now when I'm doing a live. But yeah, so that's basically it. And if you see above me, I have Platform 9 3/4, Potions class, and Hogwarts Express. Basically what I did is I hand drew it out. I basically just wrote it, colored it in black marker, and then colored it in and cut it out. So that's very simple to make. And something really exciting is that my mom decided that she would get a brick wall to print out on this like floppy sheet of paper. Well, like really big though. And we would put it in front of the door, open the door, and so people would look like they would be running through Platform 9 3/4, which I've seen on so many videos, and I can't wait to do it. So this is just some things that I made for my party and everything, and hopefully you like it. Today, me and my mom are going to go shopping for groceries and everything for my birthday party. So I'll probably have more ideas then. I might do an update video or something, and I think I might do a little video with my friends on my birthday. So thank you everyone for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to be unstoppable. Bye!